Hey you guys, this is Chelsea with ChelseaPlans, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a sticker haul. It's going to be kind of a big sticker haul, and this is about half of what I've ordered for August. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that I got, finally, was some washi tape from Simply Gilded. And I say finally because I have so much washi tape and I just don't use it. So I haven't really been buying any recently, but I keep seeing these everywhere. So finally just did it, bought them, and I love them. This was the only one that she had in stock still. I think it was called Tropical. But it's yellow with holographic bows, and I am in love. I'm sad that I think yesterday she did a re-release and I missed out. And you guys, you can buy, like, both of these were $8, and I've already seen some on like Mercari and Poshmark for like $70. First of all, shame on the people trying to sell them, but they're selling them for that much because people are buying them. I mean, I love them, but I'm just going to wait until she does another release, and I'm going to try to get on it real quick. And then she always gives a bow, I guess. I actually think I might buy the sheets of these bows. I kind of like them. So I'm a fan. We'll be buying more, so this might mean that I will be using washi tape. Okay, second thing. This is my first time buying from Plantasia Print Shop, and I think I bought it during the July Ultimate Planner sale or something like that, and they took forever to ship. So I think I'm learning that some shops like have everything printed out already, and when you buy it they just pack it up and there you go. I feel like other shops don't print their stickers until you buy them. And I don't know how I feel about that, because this took a while to get here. So here's some freebies. I'll most likely just like give those to my niece. I probably won't use those. These are cute. I like that. Okay, but this is what I bought. And I've already used a couple. So here's, this one's a little bit more full. I bought these for my budget book, which I recorded a video over 2 weeks ago, and the sound was terrible, and I don't like voiceovers, so I'm just gonna wait until September to show you my budget book. I love the colors though. Plantasia Shop does the prettiest color combinations on their stickers. So I mean, I'll order from them again because they're beautiful. Just be prepared that it may take a while. Alright, next up, this is from Piper Paper Company, and it is called Stone, and of course I bought this because it has cacti on it. And I like the muted colors. I'm probably going to use this in early spring. I really, really like this. I'm just such a fan of those colors, and the pictures. It's just so simple. It'll be refreshing to use. I think this, I don't know if this is no, this isn't the first time I've ordered from them, because I have another weekly kit that has similar pictures. And then, did this come from them? I don't know. A little card. Alright. And next up, we have Lilly and Miko designs. I feel like I'm starting to order these as much as I order GP Sticker Studio, so about once a week. This is her freebie stickers, and I'm kind of over. I have like 10 of these now and I don't use them. Okay, but look at this. So this one is called Cozy Night. It is beautiful. It's got a lot of plums and light blues and browns. I'm probably gonna use this in January. No, I think November. I don't know. Maybe January. I just love, oh, and look at the little turquoise coming through. I love the color combination that she put with this and the little kitty cat. This is really cute. And I feel like this is like a lot of extra stickers that I don't normally get with other kits. Like this was a pretty big kit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheets. That's pretty good. And her stuff usually ships pretty quick. And I have another kit from Lilly and Miko, and again, same little sticker freebie sheet. I don't know, I'm getting to where I really like the freebies that people include. Just maybe not so much that one. Okay, this one is called Academia. I love this one. Probably could have used it for the first week of school, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. Like January, the week we go back, that would be good. And here is the washi. And I like that this just comes standard. Like you don't have to spend extra to get the glitter headers. Checklist. Oh, look, another kitty. I'm a fan. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm thinking January, the week we go back, will be good. And something caught my eye. Ooh, this one. I like that a lot. Okay, so there's that one. I honestly forgot that I bought these kits. Just because, you know, my brain works like that sometimes. So it was, I just love the days when I get home from a long day of work. To find these kits in my mail makes me very, very happy. Okay, and ooh, this one. So this is the GP Sticker Studio July Mystery Kit. And yes, I know it says July, but it's really not like labeled with anything that says July, so you can use this anytime. And GP Sticker Studio takes a while to arrive because she lives in Australia. So I finally decided to subscribe to her monthly mystery kit, and I am so glad that I did. All right, so her freebie, you can tell that I've already used one. I love her freebies. Why is it taking a second to focus? But anyways, her freebies are so good. And then this was kind of like an extra thing she threw in there. Ooh. So it's these foil overlay stickers. Really excited to use those. You guys, look at these colors. How amazing is that? So this is, oh, obviously called July Mystery Kit. Oh, I love this. I mean, this looks like March, April, May, maybe? Oh, and her stickers are just the best. I love them. So you've got this sheet. Let me actually zoom out for you. Okay, you got this sheet. And I like how she includes 2 weekly headers. So I can always use one for a kit that doesn't come with any, and that's a lot of deco. Oh, I love these cut. Like, it could almost be like a wedding kit, because I know a lot of people use these colors. And these crack me up. Okay. You've got your no bra day. I just love these stickers. But this is new to me, so that's a really big sticker. So it's actually 2 vertical stickers. That will be new. I don't think I've ever had these in a kit. So maybe I'll put them at the bottom of Saturday and Sunday. I don't know, but I'm good with it. I'm excited about it. Okay, and then here's the next sheet. And you get 2 Hello Weekends, which I really like. And her font choices are always amazing. And these little icon stickers, deco. Oh, GP Sticker Studio is my favorite. I placed another order yesterday. I know that I did sign up for this in June, so I don't know. It says when I log into my account that I have like 2 orders, but only 1 has been fulfilled, so I don't know if I'm still getting the June one. I'm not really sure. Oh, I'm not gonna put that back in there. So that's GP Sticker Studio. Okay, next one. I got this one, I think yesterday, and this one makes me very happy because I kind of won these stickers. I looked at her, oh, it doesn't have her name, but it's CS Illustrations, and I follow her on Instagram. And in her story one day, she had a movie trivia question, and it was like a 6-hour-old story. So I was like, I'm sure somebody has already won, but I answered it anyways because I knew the answer and I got it right. And so she gave me a coupon code to her shop, and this is what I got. So here are some Halloween freebies. They're really cute. Here is just the freebie. And I wanted to try some other Bill Do stickers other than Plantasia Shop, just to kind of see which one is my favorite. And I really like those colors. Maybe not as much as Plantasia Shop, but I don't know. I don't know. They're good. Alright, so here is what I picked out. My October monthly kit. Look at this. So online, you know, you can tell it's gonna be cute, but you get it in person and it is 10 times better. Like, just anything with chartreuse. I just love the colors, the little foxes. Oh, they're so cute. And here is the second sheet. I love it so much. And there's plenty of stickers. Like, I'm not gonna have the issue of, oh no, I only have 1 sheet for an entire monthly layout. But there is more. There is a 3rd sheet. And at first I didn't I didn't know what this went to, but duh, it does match. Like, it's a little different, but technically I guess all the top bottom washies are a little different. So yeah, I love the colors that she used here. Oh, mine's upside down. It's not upside down. I am very happy, and I will definitely be purchasing from her again, even if I don't have a coupon code. Because she, like, here's her card. She hand draws her stuff, which I think is really cool. And last but not least, I actually got this one today. I think it's a Simply Gilded Bow. Okay, so it's just a little card. This was, please give these Misfit Sheets a new home. So I did not order these. She just gave them to me. And this shop, I don't know if I've ordered, Scribble Prints Co. I mean, I would think I've ordered from them before because it's a pretty popular shop. But look at how precious, like, these were free. And this is a lot of free stickers. And I kind of like this because that kind of looks like me. So I'm excited. I got that one, that one, that one, that one. And it just keeps on going. And the last one might be my favorite. I think those are so cute. Ugh, I just like, this is a lot of free stickers. I didn't know I was gonna get them. So you give me free stuff, I'm impressed. And they're adorable. And she has really high quality paper too. Okay, so this kit, oh my god. So I saw, oh, I forgot her name. She also does planner videos on YouTube. But she used this kit this summer, and I have watched that video maybe 3 times because I love this kit so much. It's not a cheap kit, but honestly, I may buy another one. Like, I love the colors. This may be my most favorite kit of all time. So here's another little freebie. Oh, hello. And oh, there we go. And I'm really starting to like this guy. He's so cute. Okay, so let's dive in. Look at the art. I could live without the gnome. The gnome gives me the heebie-jeebies. I do not like them. But everything else is beautiful. Oh, and what is this one called? I don't see it. I want to say it was like the SPC. I don't know. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, SPC Planner Girl is what this is called. And I could not find it in her Etsy shop. You have to go to her other website to get this kit. Like, look at these colors. They're amazing. And I like that the fake glitter is like only in a few parts of it. I just think that's so pretty. Oh my god, I don't know when I'm gonna use this. Maybe February, maybe even the weekend or week of my birthday. I don't know. This is special though. I love this kit. I'm definitely gonna have to buy another one. Come on. And it's like on shiny glossy paper, which I don't think I've ever had a kit on glossy, and I'm kind of loving it. And here it is. So that is what, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, look at that. I love it. I love it so much. Alright, so I will link all of these shops below, and just stay tuned. You'll see me using these at some point. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.